Hi everybody, today we're gonna unbox this monster sound speaker from Milwaukee, the PRCDAB. I ordered it without a battery because I have tons of batteries, but let's see. I was in a store a few weeks ago and he had the speakers on and the sound is impossible. It's let's see, that's a good packing. I think we have it in the perfect condition over here because of the packing. Maybe take it out upside down. Let's see, pull it up, upside down, and there it is, the PACKOUT. Wow, that is something, man. Let's see. Take this one out. Take this one out. Do we have something here? No. We have something here? No. Keep the box. Of course, you need always to keep the box at least a few weeks after you unpack the tool, just to make sure there's nothing wrong with it when you get it online. This is the bed. We have a cable. This is a European style. Of course, in the US you have another size. This is the book. You don't need to read. There's batteries. Where does the batteries go? Oh, right in there. Oh, that's a very long way. Let's see. Get the knives. We open the batteries. They send you batteries with it, just in case you don't have batteries in your workshop. They don't know that we have batteries all kinds and all sizes and all things because we use too much batteries in the workshop. Okay, let's see. You get the batteries to be put in here. Look at here, guys. You have the batteries goes in here. You see this? You unscrew this, put the batteries inside, and then you screw it again back. Okay? So let us unscrew it. Let me see, it's a pH. Yes, it's a small pH. I'm gonna use this one. This is gonna be fun. Here comes out the cover, and then the batteries. You need to change them. You change the batteries every couple of months. It's better, so you will not have any suddenly stop radio when you are on the work site or you are working nice, or you're enjoying a project and then suddenly the radio just stopped because you don't have batteries. So you need to let go of your project and start looking for batteries, and so it's better to change the batteries every couple of months. Let's see, does the 12 ampere fit inside it? Yes, it fits perfectly. And I have a plug to charge the mobiles. Let's see, we can charge also here. See, you plug a mobile charger and you can fit your mobile in here, and you have this plug also for sound speakers or radio or mobile if you have a old-fashioned mobile. But now let us see. We put a battery, take out this area sticker out, nice and tame. It's plastic, so it have too much durability. Man, this is tough. Let's see. Press and hold for on and off power. Okay, connecting. I want the radio. I don't want to connect to Bluetooth. Let's see. This is the FM. Let's make a search. Station. Of course, we don't have FM and this channels in Norway. We have only DAB, so it's hard to find the channel when you are using the auto scan. Let's see if I can connect it to my mobile. Then it is searching for the mobile channel. Okay guys, I just have figured it out. It's you hear the sound? Let's go to some music. I'm gonna get my PACKOUT to see how does it look on the PACKOUT system. Just a minute. Okay guys, let's see how does it look on the PACKOUT system. And does the sound is gonna be. stronger, you think? Okay, let's put some things over.
Riktig god fredag formiddag. Dette er CK på NRK P1, og før det hørte du Benson Boone. Det er to populære låter på rad.
Let's put my hand tools back while I'm working in that. And here I have the bag. It's cold today. Let's see. This is my takeout screw. Okay. And this is the handbag. This one. It's very strong from inside and durable. Let's put it up here and see that look. Okay. Now, look at this packout. Oh my God. It looks impossible. Let's see.
Ja, legenden!
Let's find the jazz. You know, guys, there's 360 degrees with sound. You have speakers all around the radio. So wherever you are, in what side you are working on, so the speakers will give you the sound that you are waiting for. Batteries 12. We cannot fit an extra battery. It will be nice if Milwaukee give us an extra battery to fit here, just in case we run out of batteries, you know. But this is nice. Okay, just remember, guys, if you want to buy a good radio, get the Milwaukee. And this is the name. It's the M18 PRCDAB. Yeah, I wanted to tell you something, guys. See, when you buy a battery from Milwaukee, there is this kind, and there is this batteries with see, what's the difference between these two batteries? See, this one have the high output, and this one doesn't have it. So when you buy a battery, get the one with this red mark. It's much stronger. You get more power, and it's good. Even if you hit the 5 ampere battery is okay. But this is the new batteries, and this is the one that I use every day. And this is the batteries that I take when I go for a job. And the 12 volt also, you have the same thing, the high output. It's good. Just remember to get the one with the red mark over here. It comes on the side. Just remember to get this one. Always buy the one with this red mark. you will get the best quality batteries. Okay, guys. See you on my next video. Isn't that a beautiful outfit? Now you can go on the job site like a king. You're the king. Not DeWalt, no Makita, no nobody can do this. Only Milwaukee can do it. No one can give you this high quality. Only Milwaukee can do that. No Metabo, don't tell me about Metabo, DeWalt, Makita, nobody can do that. Only Milwaukee can make you feel special in your job site. Enjoy, guys. See you next time.